guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering why I've been gone for so long, and that's because I'm moving. So I'm moving to Richmond, Virginia to attend college. I'm attending VCU, which is in Richmond, Virginia, downtown. And so I believe the last time I posted was in June. So I believe this is my last video that I posted, and that was around maybe 2 months ago. And so for the month of July, I've been doing these things that I need to do before I go to college, like doing orientation, doing webinars, and getting my ID for school, a whole list of stuff, very time-consuming things that I need to do before my first day of classes. So mainly for the month of July, I just focused on getting that list of admission done so I can attend classes. And then for the month of August, mainly I've just been packing and getting my stuff together. So yeah. So I have my clothes right here in trash bags. These are my t-shirts, pants, and some dress stuff and hoodies. I have a suitcase filled with pants and other stuff. And then that's the donate pile. And then I have other stuff in there as well. I also have stuff downstairs too. So I'm in the dining room right now where I film my videos, or I used to film my videos. So I have a trunk full of different things. I have some safe spacing hangers, some mattress pad, and just a bunch of other stuff. My drawing tablet, I have color pencils, and I have just a bunch of random stuff in those trash bags. Here's the supplies, the art supplies I'm going to be taking. I don't know what I need. I know some I do need for school, and others I'm just taking just in case. So yes, this is some of it. And then I do have one inside this laundry bin. I'm not sure where it is in there. I am taking my tripod because I plan on making videos. Since I am majoring in art still, I'm gonna try to make some videos on the art that I create. Here I keep all my markers, quite a bit. I do want to practice my marker skills, so yes. And you never know what you're gonna need in college, so I bought that. And also I have some drawing stuff in here as well. I have this little drawing board thing right here, and a sketchbook. Hey guys, this is day 2 of the vlog, and I'm in my dorm room. This is it, VCU. Let me show you guys around. All right, so this is how you look when you walk in. Here's the door right here. So you have washer and dryer right here. Inside, pretty nice, I would say. And we have our kitchen right here. We have a dishwasher, pretty nice. We have oven, microwave. I was washing some dishes earlier. The microwave was kind of filthy. And we have a full-size, really big refrigerator, I would say. So yes, refrigerator. Sorry the lighting's bad. So yeah, I just have a few food items in here, or drinks I should say. In here, have my Brita. Is it done? Yep, looks like it's done. Oh, I don't know why this is like slanted and not like straight. Kind of annoying and weird. So yes, and then this is my other roommate's place. They haven't got here yet. I'm the only one that's here right now. Then that in there, that's their bathroom, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Then we have living room and I guess eating area, I guess. In here, you got a nice couch, got some window space. I didn't bother bringing a TV because I don't really watch TV hardly. I usually just watch Netflix or Disney Plus on my phone or computer. And this is my side, or me and my roommate's side. So I just got my little, what they call that thing, shower caddy here. They gave us some mask that says VCU on it, and I just washed them and hung them here to dry. Then this is also mine. I just have some hair products and other knickknacks. Nothing exciting in there. Then here is the bathroom. It's kind of nice. I really need to get a shower curtain too. Then here's me and my roommates. Like I said, I'm the only one here. So I'm just gonna show my side. So let's just start over here. So I have a little nightstand, have my little diffuser, have my little light here. And here I just have some cleaning rags, just a bunch of other stuff. This is where I keep my oils for my air diffuser up there. And then I have some sketchbooks here. And then I have my Bible stuff here, and then a few other books there as well. Okay, fall over. And I have some bins back there. They're not really holding much. And I have some clothes in here. These drawers are actually really big, so I can fit a lot in here. I have some more clothes and some other random stuff in there. And I have nothing in here except for a blanket. And then I have some just pants, and there's still a lot of room for more if I wanted to. Put more stuff in there. And then I just have these drawers really don't stay closed. And this is the rug that's in my old room. It doesn't really match. I didn't really care about matching. All I cared about was saving money. So I don't really care if it doesn't match or whatever. I just need a rug because I don't want my bare feet, or when I'm changing into other socks, I don't want my bare feet touching the ground and stuff. So if you watch my old room tour video, you would see that on the floor. So then here's my bed. I have a cheetah print comforter, matching pillows. This used to be my mom's old bedding, I think. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Then on the wall, I have a little tapestry. Got it from Amazon. I'll put the link somewhere if you guys are interested, along with some other stuff that you might be interested in as well. This I got off Amazon. It says, "You are beautiful, victorious enough, created, strong, amazing, capable, chosen, never alone, and always loved." And it also says where you can find those in the Bible. I just really like how there's artwork, because I like art. It's a little artwork drawing. It kind of reminds me of me a little bit. So yeah, there's that. And then here's my desk. Here's my book bag. I got a new book bag off of Amazon. It's called Love Book. Again, I'll try to link that down below if you're interested. It has a lot of space if you're curious. It may look small and it's very stylish looking, but it has a lot of pockets. I figured the chairs were gonna be kind of uncomfortable to sit in if you're studying for a very long time or whatnot. So I bought this pillow. I got this off my Redbubble shop. I'll link that down below if you're interested. Has my art on there. I'll show the original side by side right here. So yeah, there's that. So I just sit right there when I'm not, when I'm studying. So that's my trash can. I totally forgot to bring a trash can. So I'm just using this box that I had my memory foam mattress topper in for now. It works fine right now. Trash cans, the trash can to empty your trash is literally right around the corner, so No, it's fine for now. And then here I have my portfolio, my little drawing board, and a huge drawing pad in there. And this desk drawer is really huge. Like, you can fit like a lot in here. Like, I put all my paper in here, notebook paper, and I put some folders and a bunch of stuff. My planner or a bullet journal that I made, I put that in here. All that stuff. Very nice, and I still have a lot more space to put stuff if I need to. And yeah, I have some stickers, some rulers, sticky notes, just a bunch of stuff, calculator. Yeah, so this drawer is very, very large, which is nice. And I have a laptop stand. I've been having like a lot of back pain and neck pain when I'm drawing. So I've been using this for a few days now. I kind of like it, or I really like it. So I also got this on Amazon recently, so I'll link that down below as well. So just got sharpener. I took that from home. Just have some drawers. I'm probably gonna fill it up with some other stuff later. Probably when I get my art supply list for school. Just have some markers, some other supplies. I do have to go shopping for school since I am an art major. I could probably put some more stuff in there. I'm not sure yet. I have just what do you call it? A trunk there. I'm having trouble locking it, so then I just like brought this lock to lock up some stuff. There's really not much valuables in there except for my laptop or whatever. So yeah. That's pretty much it. And then over here is the closet. I just have some shoes, some clothes, obviously. And I have my hamper down there. And on the door right here, I just keep my masks. I have a few more masks in my car, but these are my favorites. And then I have my keys. Oh, probably shouldn't show you my ID. I'll probably just bleed it out later. I just have my keys, and then I have some self-defense tools since I am in Richmond, downtown Richmond to be exact, in the city to be more exact. So, you know, pepper spray, this little, I forgot what you call this, self-defense tool or whatever, this little safety alarm with a little flashlight. Yeah, wow, it's really bright. I have my robe right here, so when I'm going to the bathroom and whatnot. Well, I'm not sure when my next video is gonna be. I just need to get all situated, get used to the classes and this campus and stuff first before I just start, you know, making videos again. But yes, I will be making soon. Here's the schedule, the new schedule for the school year. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. And if you've been to college, comment down any college advice you have for me down below, or maybe you have questions for me, you can leave those down below. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ugh, my hair look a mess. I don't care.